Cardano is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that has a current worth of 0.295153 and a market capitalization of 10,335,532,027. Digital currencies have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers. These days, it's a resource class that is significantly controlled and surprisingly embraced. As lawful delegate, some huge venture banks even fundamentally secure Cardano and other digital forms of money all at once to safeguard their resources under administration on against the jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors. Thus a foresighted financial backer ought to basically work essentially a piece of their portfolio around digital currencies with the end goal of enhancement and to have the option to endure the in every practical sense potential disturbances on customary monetary business sectors, or so they sort of thought, notwithstanding because of the unpredictability of ADA and by far most of other digital forms of money. Having crypto in the portfolio requires kind of mirror checking of the events on expressed markets to have the option to enter lead the situation at the most truly suitable second. It's reasonable that most financial backers don't have the fundamentally full-time ability to follow the business sectors by any means basically times or anticipate their in every practical sense likely developments. To work with this errand the accompanying Cardano cost expectation has been explained with the help of the high-level instrument named the Crypto Unpredictability Record Fix to guarantee the exactness and the legitimacy of this ADA cost estimate model. This is a good time to discuss our short, medium, and long-term predictions for the ADA market based on the readings of our Crypto Unpredictability Record, which helps us see what the market thinks. While the coin is currently ranked 8th overall, its real position is based on its current value plus its current market capitalization. Every financial market uses this equation, thus our administration keeps an eye out for any changes in these three categories so that our clients can receive the most precise information possible on the usage of advanced assets in their portfolios. Just 7 days earlier, on August 10th, ADA was worth 0.306608, so the price hasn't changed significantly since then. Cardano's price ended trading on August 9th at 0.309611 and the price change was 2.37. The market capitalization of the coin in question was $10,730,368,152 on August 10th. A month earlier on August 11th, a market participant put the price of Cardano at 0.296134. Since then the coin has moved 0.33 to get to where it is now. On August 9th yesterday ADA was worth $10,839,887,546 on the stock market. The unpredictable large number of transactions that may occur on the organization for numerous causes, such as hacking attempts, could skew capitalization of digital currencies, including ADA. A sudden increase in these transactions frequently has an instantaneous impact on the price of the fundamental digital resource and may cause an unauthorized increase in market capitalization, giving market observers the chance to profit as quickly as the company. There are frequently controls that could harm how your stock seems as the market expands. These digital currencies can be used for real-time trading, kept in investors' wallets, or shared with custodians. Supply measures the number of coins that have been purposefully created, such as through mining. At this time, all of Cardano's stock is displayed as 36030-277-986. This measurement also considers the number of coins that have been gradually removed through a procedure called consuming, which is intended to restrict the growth rate. ADA, the total number of ADA that is currently being traded, excluding coins that are locked, frozen, or momentarily unavailable for trading, is what is referred to as the circulating supply, and it is used to calculate the market capitalization and evaluate the coins in every way that matters. The general consensus is that digital currencies with a circulating supply of between 60 million and 150 million are the best for long-term investment because their value is likely to increase over a long period of time, possibly many years, while still growing at a reasonable rate. However, the reasons behind this are unclear. There are really 35,017,587,598 Crossroads Cardano coins in circulation. It should be noted that continuous trading volume information isn't very good for making long-term price predictions, but it does give a good idea of how the market is doing right now, which is especially important for short and medium-term price predictions made by orcs. High trading volume is typically a sign that liquidity is flowing into a market, which shows the very wide premium and digital forms of money and ensure that trades go smoothly. The rule of thumb here basically is to, for the most part, get into the activity when the volume begins to rise, when the cost is pushing out of the combination region, and forsake the boat once the volume starts to drop after a significant convention in an unpretentious manner. It's far better assuming that those cost shifts occur in the areas that match with generally on August 9th. The typical weighted exchanging volume, which was recorded toward the end of the exchanging timeframe, reached the level of 294.485 to 115 in relation to ADA. On August 10th, 7 days earlier, the score was 254. 748,913. Bitcoin has recently stayed above 29,000, which could be a good sign, but it hasn't yet hit $30,000. It has been trading between 28,929,280, which shows how uncertain the market is. In particular, people who own a lot of Bitcoin are selling less, which may mean they believe its value will increase in the future. How much ADA that was traded between market members was a Bitcoin price prediction as bears pull BTC down to 29,000 level, where is BTC going next? PayPal's introduction of PayPal USD may be the cause of the current increase in Bitcoin's value. This international payment corporation has entered the world of cryptocurrencies by creating the Piast, a new digital currency designed to maintain its value stability and founded on Ethereum technology. Predictions for the price of Bitcoin, BTC, remain optimistic. The underlying outlook is getting better, and Bitcoin's technical setup is still very strong, so price predictions for the short and medium term are still positive. As has already been said, macro remains a small boost for Bitcoin now that the Fed's trend of raising interest rates seems to be over and interest rate cuts are on the way. The closer we get to real rate cuts, the stronger this boost will be. Crypto-specific factors are also working in Bitcoin's favor right now. With recent spot Bitcoin ETF applications from Wall Street heavyweights like BlackRock being the main source of excitement. Mike Novogratz, CEO of Galaxy Digital and a crypto billionaire, said on an earnings call this week that a spot Bitcoin ETF application approval is a matter of when, not if.